guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick video, just the products that I've pretty much been using on my hair while it's been in protective styles. This summer so far I have had soft locks and right now I have knotless braids. So just gonna go over the products I've been using and how I feel about them. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Okay, so the first product that I've been using that is just like an oldie but goodie brand that people I feel like don't talk about anymore, but it's Gro. You can see this oil is pretty much almost gone, but I love this oil. I used to get the mega thick oil, which I might have talked about in another video, I'm not sure, but this is the anti-itch oil, which I wanted to get because obviously I was in protective style. The soft locks I had before I had this, and I was worried about, you know, my scalp obviously being itchy because I haven't had you know, synthetic hair installed in my hair in a while. I don't necessarily like soybean oil for some reason. I don't know. I can't say I'm allergic to it or my body doesn't like it, but I don't know, just something in me just says I don't really like soybean oil. But that's the base of this oil. It is soybean oil, which, you know, is not something, it's not going to stop me from getting it. Tea tree oil is like the 4th or 5th ingredient, and tea tree oil was the main reason why I got this anti-itch oil from Gro, because of the tea tree oil being so high up and being so, I guess, potent, or the fact that this oil has tea tree oil is a big reason why I got it. This oil has really been helping with itchy scalp. So love this oil, love Gro. I don't think Gro should ever go anywhere. You can never go wrong with a little Gro oil, and it's not even expensive. Where's the price is gone, but it was probably like $6.99. So definitely like this. Okay, and then another product is by Camille Rose. I still do love some Camille Rose products. I don't have many of them, but I still do, you know, get excited when I see a Camille Rose product that I haven't really seen before. It's called Mint Condition Braid Scalp Spray, sea moss and aloe vera. It's supposed to be a conditioning burst of essential oils, herbs, and sea moss crafted to rejuvenate, freshen, and relieve a dry, itchy scalp. So when I saw this, I was really intrigued. The second ingredient after water is aloe vera juice, and then jojoba oil, and then olive oil, couple chemicals, and then peppermint oil, menthol, sea moss extract, castor beans oil, raspberry, and also has honey and tea tree in here as well. Honey, tea tree, aloe vera, that just sounds like heaven for my scalp. So I had to get this, and so far I've really been liking it. I also like the smell of it. You can see it's pretty much almost like gone. It's pretty much almost gone. And I just like, it just smells like peppermint and just clean, and I love that smell. So I've really been liking this oil, this spray. I might repurchase it, but I have another spray I've also been using, so let's get to that. The other spray I've been using is by Mielle. Of course, you know I love me some Mielle. And this is the rice water and aloe vera braid and scalp moisturizer. So it's kind of like white milky, I guess you can see, but it kind of just goes on like a spray. It kind of just feels like a spray. Like it might like my hair might have like the residue on it for a little while, but I kind of just massage it in, put a scarf on, and like kind of like set my hair, and then, you know, the white residue goes away. But so far I really like this too. Also like the smell of this rice water and aloe vera line. It just smells like clean summer. I don't know, it just smells like clean summer. That's not a good description, but that's all I can really think to say. The second ingredient is aloe vera juice. It also has rice extract, rice bran extract, sweet almond oil, rosemary oil, sunflower oil, all pretty high up in the ingredient list. It also has keratin amino acids. So, you know, I guess it's supposed to really, help your hair like underneath your protective style, if it can really penetrate, which I think it can, at least with knotless. The soft locks probably not. I just had to moisturize my scalp, but for the knotless, I think this actually kind of is helping to moisturize my hair within my braids, because honestly, my hair has been kind of dry since you know, this summer, and for the past few months it's been a little bit dry. And if my hair being so like fine and fragile, I guess you could say, but my hair being so fine whenever it's dry, it just snaps so easily and my hair could just break off bad. So while I'm in a protective style, yeah, my hair is not getting any manipulation really much, so that's good. It's getting a rest, but I definitely feel like I need to make sure it stays moisturized, and something like this that's kind of mostly a liquid kind of spray but moisturizer that I feel like can actually penetrate and actually condition my hair within these braids, I think actually matters. So far I've been liking this, and we'll see how my hair is when I take my hair out. So also from the rice water and aloe vera line, I also have the Braid set foam here, and then this, I don't know, it's called itch relief, but I guess it's like a itch relief gel, I don't know. But anyway, the foam, this is working okay. I don't know, I can't really say how long my hair really stays, I guess, like frizz free using this, but I definitely do get a good it definitely does lay my hair down pretty well. Like, I put this Braid set foam on before I did, just like maybe like a half an hour ago, and I put a scarf on to kind of hold it down. So, and I got my hair done maybe like, I don't know, maybe like 2 weeks ago. So I feel like it, you know, it lays it down pretty well, but it's just it's not like a super strong hold, I don't feel like, you know, which is just fine. I don't need it. It's a foam, I feel like you could at least use this mousse is what it is, mousse. I feel like you can use this every day and it won't be a problem, because I use it almost every day. But if it had more, if it was like really like more of a hold and made my hair really hard, then I probably couldn't use it every day. So, you know, you give or take. But honestly, for everyday use and just like to kind of like help you lay your hair down, I think the foam has been okay for me. The itch relief, I don't know. I mean, this feels good, but I feel like it feels better if this is cold. So maybe if you could put this in the refrigerator, it might be, to me, a little bit more worth it. But honestly, I don't know. I kind of just like my Gro oil too. There's nothing super big in here. It has aloe vera juice, rice bran, water, rapeseed oil. It's not really much in here that's really, I don't even know why I don't really know why I got this. So this isn't to me really necessary, honestly, especially because I feel like this Gro Anti Itch Oil works a lot better, cheaper, easier to find. It's almost everywhere you go, you can get this. So, but I'm gonna use this up, especially after that oil's done. I'll use this. But I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it, because I just don't know if it's necessarily necessary. And also, of course, last is gels. I have to use some type of gel to kind of lay down my edges and everything. So this is honestly more so for like the health, I guess, of my edges and making sure my hair keeps, you know, grows back and keeps growing, and try to prevent breakage on my edges. But I just feel like this has a much better hold. I don't feel like this has that much of a hold. I'm kind of still in search of a edge control gel for when I have my hair in a protective style, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's pretty much the products that I have been using for my hair in a protective style. Not all of them are like my favorites, but a couple of them I definitely am going to buy again. If you guys have any suggestions for any other videos or any products I could possibly use, please comment below, let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye.